What's up guys, this is Chimeze with ThoughtStack and welcome back to the What is New in Laravel 5.7 series. Today we'll be looking at two new additions to Laravel 5.7. The first one is the new resources directory structure. As you might have noticed, the assets directory has been removed and its content flattened. Now the JS folder and the SAS folder now lives directly inside the resources directory. This will save us one level of navigation while dealing with assets. The next addition to Laravel 5.7 we will look at is that the action URL generator now accepts callable syntax. Prior to Laravel 5.7, the action method can only accept strings. Say URL action, say controller. Then the method on the controller, which will be index. And let's return URL. Refresh this. This generates the full URL to the index method on the home controller. In addition to this, we can now make use of a callable syntax. Then the method. Let's put this in. Now, if we refresh this, we should get the same result, as you can see. One advantage of using this syntax is that you can easily navigate to the controller if your editor supports that. So that's it guys. See you in the next video where we'll look at another features of Laravel 5.7. As always, remember to hit the subscribe button to be notified once the new videos are up. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments below the video.